What a sight to see, how did it all begin? Corporal Norm said, help me.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Current time is 9:21 a.m. and the current temperature is, I'll have to get back with you on that one. Today's date is Wednesday, February 12th, and it is a Wednesday. And unfortunately, you can probably see it and you can probably hear it, right? Focus, camera. Yep, it's raining. Good morning. How are you? Huh? How are you this morning? Okay. We'll be right back. Okay guys, so I almost went to Burger King to get me a hot meal. But then I was reflecting on to what this, or what is it called, this trucker's life. And you know, he does reflect off of something what Trucker Jukebox says. You know, we're cooking French toast, and it's not costing us nothing. I mean, it did when we was at the store. But if you think about it, okay, the money that you spent, say like at a Flying J, Love's, Pilot on the fast food restaurant, that money could have easily been spent at a Walmart or a small town grocery store to make you a hot meal in your very own truck. Now JBG Travels has a Hot Logic Mini. Okay, I'm gonna get on and find it, and I'm gonna put that link in the description box below to get that Hot Logic Mini for truck drivers. Or if you are traveling in your motorhome and you would like it, hey, there you go. And you go to Walmart, you can easily spend money to purchase your own food in your own truck. We'll be right back. Here y'all go, guys. That did not mean to turn out like it did, but it looks like a pancake, so we're gonna eat this and we'll be right back. I don't know about y'all guys, but I like eating my lunch a little bit early. So, and I'll show you what I have to offer. I'm gonna pause this clip real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, ready for it? Well, you ready for it, Rudi? Bet you're gonna be hungry here in a minute. Ooh, Mexican. I'm gonna put the rice here. I'm gonna eat the whole thing, so go ahead and do that. I'm gonna put the rice in here, the burrito on the plate. Put the burrito on the plate, put the rice in here, because they cook both differently. And we're gonna have us some lunch. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I know this is gonna be sideways. I don't know how good that's gonna be, but here is our supper. We're gonna eat this and we'll be right back. Okay guys, nope, I ain't doing that again. We ain't getting knocked out of the house this time. We're gonna go down and grab our keys. We'll be right back. We got the house key. Okay. Whew. Okay. Sorry for the downwards angle. Nope. We're gonna walk in the rain. I did say walk in the rain. Y'all want some rugs? I'll let you know how it goes. We'll be right back. It is raining out here pretty good. Well, not badly raining. Raining good enough to get wet. Okay, I think we're gonna go to Rhodes and get something to drink. We'll be right back. Okay, we are back. And I'll tell you why when we get in, why I didn't record going into the store. But let me check the mail, get inside, and we'll be right back. Okay, we are finally back in the house. Got our little grocery bag here. I know you gotta go potty wheeze here. I know you probably won't because it's raining, but let's go potty. Not me, guys, the dog. Not me, the dog. We'll be right back because I gotta use 2 hands on him. As I expected, it was raining. He did not want to go out. But anyway, I got me a chocolate milk. And for my truck driving game later on tonight, I got me a Pepsi. So yeah, I'm gonna watch some TV and I'm going to see what else. It's raining, guys, so this ain't gonna be too much of a vlog, but we'll be right back. Okay, guys, it is still, well, actually it's doing nothing right now. If you like today's video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the recommended channels in the description box below. With that being said, we'll see y'all tomorrow morning. Later.
Yeah, the world's largest truck convoy rolling down the road. To that special athlete, it means everything.